Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making Elk Wellington with wild mushroom Duxelles. This recipe takes 3 hours to prep and 1 hour to cook. Serves 10 to 12 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 7 to 8 pound elk prime rib roast, 7 ribs. Age 14, days minimum for optimal tenderness. 1/4 cup Grey Poupon or Maille Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and kosher salt and cracked black pepper. Step 1. Temperature protocol. Remove from refrigerator 2 hours before cooking. Large roast needs time. Step 2. Seasoning. Salt generously 1 hour ahead, brush with mustard mixture. Step 3. Searing. 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes to develop crust. Step 4. Slow roasting. Reduce to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook to 110 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Intermediate step. Step 5. Crust application. Apply horseradish mixture at 110 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Step 6. Final push. Increase to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook to 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Step 7. Resting. Critical 20-minute rest. Temperature rises to 150 degrees Fahrenheit plus for medium rare. And that's how you make Elk Wellington with wild mushroom Duxelles. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.